Today we're going to be taking a quick look at PaMu, and this one is unique, no pun intended. Selamat malam. Good evening everyone. This time is gonna be a different unboxing because I'm not gonna talk about the sound quality, latency, and call test and all that. It's gonna be on its own full review, but let's just take a quick look at the design of the PaMu Unique itself because this is quite unique. We've got a personalized cover, like some extra covers here, and we've also got the wireless charger receiver here. I'm gonna put this to the side. So let's start unboxing the main box itself. Remember, these are provided by PaMu, so I didn't pay for this, but they agree for me to do an honest review on this, which I'm definitely gonna do later on. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Give this video a thumbs up if you are excited to see that full review. For now, let's just do the quick unboxing first. And this is definitely a very quality unboxing experience. You can feel it on the box itself. There's like some first use how-tos right there and how to pair it to your phone, and there you go. Wow, this is pretty nice. Unfortunately, I don't have like a camera from the top here, so you cannot see like my table. That would be awesome actually. I would like to save up for that for my future unboxings. So anyway, this is it. Oh, okay, I just have to take it off like that. We have the PaMu Unique itself. The case is actually large. Wow, this is quite the size. I brought some earbuds here to compare it with. This is the case of the PaMu Unique, and similar in price to Jabi's Firefly 2. It's even taller than that. The Light Protect Heavy, which is quite large already, it's just like the MPOW T5, but this is even taller. Like the radius is pretty much the same as the Light Protect Heavy. So wow, this is the Halo GT1 Plus case. Very, very small and compact case. Probably you can put like 2 of these and they will take about the same volume as the PaMu. But it's very good to see USB-C, of course, because this is just basically a premium earbuds in my book now. 90 bucks, I expect nothing less. Anyway, it looks ugly right now because we haven't put any covering on it. Let's check out the earbuds itself first. They have a very nice feel actually to it. Like it's plastic, it's matte finish, but yeah, it's actually pretty good. You can see the mic cuttings are on down here, and I figure you're gonna control it on the stem right here, so you know where to touch it and you know where to not touch it, or actually where to touch when to control it or to adjust the earbuds. Very, very nice. Putting the earbuds inside, yeah, they fit pretty nicely. Actually, it's not that bad. Oh, there's like some light here on the sides. Maybe it's to indicate that it's charging. We'll find out later. Anyway, let's go deeper into the box. There's like a hole inside there. So that's the end of the box. Let's put it aside. I think here we will get the accessory. Okay, the accessories. There is a user manual. It's a pretty thick book. Let's go check out the earbuds here. Plus sized ear tips, and the other one is the normal ear tips. PaMu is the only one that actually has a plethora of different size ear tips. You have the S and S Plus, and the Plus means it goes deeper into your ear. I'm gonna take the S Plus or the M Plus fit earbuds. Moving on, we also got a very nice pouch, faux leather actually. I don't know if I'll ever use this to cover the earbuds itself, but since it's quite pricey, I think it's nice to have something like this. And next up, we've also got a USB-C cable with quite a nice length to it, so it's pretty good. And that's pretty much it from the box. Let's check out the second box that we get. So this is basically when you buy a PaMu Unique, you've got 3 coverings with it. So let's check out how and which one did I get. I'm gonna take them off one by one. This turns out to be quite the effort to unpack them all. I don't know if this is real leather. I have to check out the website later. It actually feels really good. This is the mandatory black that we all get no matter which one we pick, and also this is the brown color pattern and also the red color pattern. Putting it is very easy. You have these holes, you just have to align them and they will actually align automatically by magnet, and you just roll them up and there you go. You've got a fully covered PaMu Unique, and wow, does that look good. And how do you open it? It's just, it turns out to be pretty great. Wow, I'm liking this. I'm kind of worried about how the magnet will hold up because it doesn't feel very strong here. But yeah, it seems to hold up pretty much fine. Yeah, it doesn't open by itself, but when you slightly touch it or something, it will open up. So, yeah. Oh, that's another problem. Maybe it's not a good idea to take these earbuds with one hand. So you gotta be careful with that. Anyway, I'll give a closer look of these two other covers here, see if you like it or not. And for now, let's just unbox the last box here, which is the wireless charging receiver. Reading the specs from the outside here, it receives 5 volt 2 amps of power and puts out 5 volts 1 amp of power, so 5 watts. It's actually a pretty darn simple box. Just have a user manual inside here, and that's it. You've got the wireless charger adapter itself. So I'm not sure if I would get this, especially when it comes in at $20. It's just a wireless charging coil, so it's nothing fancy like that. And I'm gonna get my Xiaomi power bank real quick. Ah, I see. So you have like 4 kind of LEDs here: 0, 25%, 50, 75, 100% charge. And it rotates to let you know that it's charging. Does it look pretty cool? I think it does. But yeah, again, it doesn't change the fact that this whole thing looks pretty darn big. Okay, so to the next part, since it uses QCC 3020 chip, I think it is using Qualcomm's dual mode. So yeah, let's check out real quick here. The left side is on pairing mode now. Name is very simple, PaMu Unique, and it says connected just now. It has the exact same voice prompt that you get with any other QCC 3020 earbuds. But actually, these ear tips doesn't fit me very well. I'm gonna try any other ear tips, see if they fit better. Okay, so the difference between the plus-sized ear tips and the normal ear tips are, you see, this is more like translucent gray kind of color, and the plus-sized are like really black. They're not transparent or anything like that. This fits much better for me, the plus sized one. I really like my earbuds to go deeper into my ear. And alright, while we're on it, why not listen to a song right here, and let's see how it sounds. Okay, don't take my words too seriously now, but it sounds pretty good. It just have more bass than usual, so the bass punch is really there. I think if you are looking for a more premium earbuds like LiberTech heavy level price, but that has more focus on the vocals and the upper ends, right? These one have more bass. So if you like bass and you would like to get something very unique, I think these will be it. But I'm not sure. I'm gonna listen to more songs in the coming future, and I'll let you know my full analysis of the sound characteristics. I think it looks like PaMu Slide Mini, and this, for some reason, I found out to be similar to the previous PaMu Scroll. I don't know where that name came to my mind, but when I search PaMu Scroll and I see that the price is like $40, turns out this combines the uniqueness of the PaMu Scroll with the earbuds characteristic of the PaMu Slide Mini. I think a lot of people like it. Do subscribe for the full review of these earbuds. For latency, most likely it'll be the same with any other QCC 3020 chip earbuds. You can check out MPOW T5, Transmart Spunky Beat, or whatever. And also the call test, this should be interesting because it uses QCC 3020 chip. It's got that great noise cancellation, and it has this stem design which puts the mic much closer to your mouth, so I think it will perform really great. We'll see how that performs later on. Anyway, this is the unboxing for the PaMu Unique. I hope you enjoyed it. For now, that's been it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.